Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ngingane yamakhehla madala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyabamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. Namuhla, I want to teach Isithunywa, idlozi, kuhlanganaphi lokho. And there's some confusion out there to say, mina nginesithunywa, then after that nginamabhayi, and kuhlanganaphi. Ngicela ukukukhanyisela. Can I just bring light into your space right now, into your home? Number one, Isithunywa is given by God. Isithunywa, it's an angel that is given by God, an angel that is supposed to work, give messages, heal people through giving those messages. And moyingane isithunywa, you pray. Understand? Injalo. Then bese kuba khona idlozi. And idlozi ni kusetshenzwa traditionally. Kusebenza njani? Traditionally. Kusebenzwa ngeikhwama, kusebenzwa ngemithi, kusebenzwa nje. Very much tradition. It's a different type of ingilosi ekhona that was created by uyena umveli nqangi, but it works traditionally. So isithunywa nedlozi ziyafana? Yebo, yingilosi eziyi-two. Sikhuluma ngeingilosi that are two different angels, but that work differently. Isithunywa is given by God. You are there to pray. You are shown visions to guide people, to give people light. Uma unedlozi, enye ingilosi le, but ingilosi enjani? E-traditional. Why ngithi i-traditional le ingilosi? Because of ayisebenzisi umkhuleko. Well, zikhona ezinye izangoma ezisebenzisa umkhuleko, but most of the time, these people are very much traditional. Basebenzisa amathambo, kuyabhulwa, kushawa imithi. That's it. So why ke wena? Why all of a sudden uyithole sekuthiwa wena uwumthandazi, sidukuduku kumele manje ube nebhayi, sidukuduku? Why do you find yourself there? Yinto engifuna ukuyichaza ke leyo. Why kumele uzithole lapho? Uzithola kanjani futhi lapho? When God blesses your family, uba blesse ngawe wena ngane nesithunywa nje sokuthandaza. Just making an example. But the breed that you come from, the people that you have descended from, nebo they were given gifts. And uthole ukuthi ama-gifts wabo anjani are traditional. Yes, God said wena uzothandaza, uphiwe umthandazo. But kukhona ke ukhokho wakho onesikhwama othini, ngiyayibona ingane yami iyathandaza and ngiyayibona ingane yami ukuthi is doing the right thing. I'm going to gift my child with this sikhwama. Uyanikwa isikhwama. But uNkulunkulu yena utheni? Ngikunikile ukuthi uthandaze. For example, ngiyathandaza mina. Ngiyathandaza. Then all of a sudden kufike khehla lami lizothini? Nasi isikhwama ngiyakunikeza isikhwama. Do I want to take it? Do I really want to take it? Yes or no? No, I don't want to take it. If I don't want to take it, obviously there are gonna be consequences of me not taking it. If I do take it, still there are going to be consequences, whether positive or what? Negative. But ukusalayo izoba khona imivuzo. Results will be there. So into kumele ukuthi uyiqaphele, ungathi wena uthi umthandazi, unesiphiwo vele sokuthandaza, but all of a sudden so boniswa sokuqhamuka amabhayi, sekuqhamuka izikhwama, sekuqhamuka konke. What is it that you want? What is it that you feel more aligned to? Because I know abantu abaningi bazokuthiwa abantu abayizangoma these days babalekela emthandazweni because of they feel ukuthi umthandazo ulula and easy. Let me tell you something, noma ungabaleka kangakanani uye esontweni uthi wena umthandazi, uma kumele ube isangoma uzoba yiso isangoma, uzoba yiso. Why? Because of abakini bayasho ukuthi no, simnike lokho. And umveli inqani uma ikhala alibusise vele ngegift yobungoma, uzokuthwala nawe, uzobuthwala nawe, injalo nje, injalo. Uma kumele, if it is a must, uzobuthwala. But if it's not a must, you will just continue praying. I'm sharing this with you because of there was this one time when I was at church, before the trip yamanzi, and then my pastor was like, you know, I see you uthandaza kodwa ngiphinde futhi ngibonisa ukuthi ngibone ubungoma ngaphakathi kuwena. So ngiyathandaza ngifuna ukuthi amazulu acacise. Basically yebo umthandazi kodwa kukhona abanye sebazama ukuyisondeza manje abafuna ukukunikeza izinto zabo, ama gifts wabo, and abathini nomuhle emoyeni uyayiphilela inkosi. She will be the best person to actually carry on with this gift. Bakupha ngoba bekubona ukuthi no, this one will carry it so nicely, so beautiful. So yingakho ke uyithola sekungathi ungapha nangapha. Hence I said in my other video, if you have it both and kuyakusebenzela both, use it. Kusebenzisa kokubili, thandaze, usebenzise lokuphiwe ukuthi kweyikhwama kube kuhle, abantu baphile konke kuhamba kahle. But mina I am more open to prayer. I relate more to prayer. I'm aligned kakhulu mangithandaza. Even though my people will still want me to phahla, but ngizokutshela ukuthi when I pray, idalwa zasekhaya ziyangihlangabeza ngomkhuleko. That is why when I pray instantly my voice changes. Already tells you that I've connected, the Wi-Fi is on, because I switch, I no longer pray now. Ingilosi yami yiyo manje ephakama ikhuleka. Sitshentshisane ke manje kungasabi ikhehla kubo isalukwazi. Yabona ukuthi nje kuyatshentshiswana kuyasetshenziswana nje kumnandi. You open your heart for you to get to that level. Kodwa nje mase uzophakamiselwa izikhwama, ngiyazazi abantu bayayisaba izikhwama. Kodwa kufika kanjani ezikhwameni? Kukhona bekesebenzisa izikhwama in your family, whether ukhokho and whatever. But because of uyakubona ukuthi you can handle it best compared to anyone, that is why they present it to you and say, Nasis Kwam. To other people, they just say, no, angesifuni. But to some other people, for them it's a must. Because they tell them, good, if you don't take it, 1, 2, 3, this is what's going to happen to you. Bakhona abaphoqelekile ukuthi basithathe. Then kukhona lo you just like, no. So injalo bakwethu, injalo akube nobumbano, nozwano, nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu. Inkosi iyanithanda. Stay blessed. Mwah.